in the Trooper, supercharged Super Trooper. Let's see if you guys can hear the supercharger. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's really cool, and I love it. So, this video here, I'm just gonna do a couple pulls, do a couple of drive-bys. You guys can hear it and see what it looks like. I plan on doing a full review of the supercharger and what I think of it, you know, fuel economy, oil burning, all that stuff, Isuzu stuff. But if there's anything else you guys are curious for in the review, go ahead and leave a comment in this video and I'll try and include it in the review. Otherwise, it was a win. It's a great improvement. I'll be happy to share all that with you guys in my review, but in the meantime here, enjoy the Isuzu Super Trooper. Goodness. Thanks for watching. So how lame is this? The little vacant road I wanted to go down here is closed. I guess that shows how many people used to use it. Here she is. Right into here, which then goes into this. Kaboom. I don't know how this happened, but it's so hot out here that this literally just melted right off. I guess it's kind of dirty. What the heck? Call Phil Swift, we're gonna need some flex seal or something. Dang, this thing is filled with dirt. Well, shoot. Huh. Well, that's that.